Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got Georgia in pursuit of this BMW 528. Obviously, original video will be in the description. Shout out to 13WMAZ for the video. Original video will be in the description. I'm not sure what police department this is, but as you can see, the Beamer's taking off. 528. So what speeds is this cop getting up to? And what speed is the Beamer getting up to? Oh, the cop's going over well over 130 miles per hour. 140. Wow. Can he get up to 141? Wow, and this Beamer's just smashing off. Can the Beamer hang with the Charger? Or can the Charger hang with the Beamer? Y'all know them Chargers can't hang with no Beamer, bro. It's a V8 versus a V6. I'm just joking. I know it's an inline 6, I think. Okay, so it got crazy right here. The cop got the pit. Or did he? Or did he?
Bruh.
Yeah, the Beamer kept going. The Beamer got the on. If you guys don't know, if the cops catch the bad guy, I clap it up for him. We eat a donut.
Really, nigga?
Damn, I think I forgot to clap it up in the last video. It's whatever, bro. GSP always get it up. I don't know if this is GSP. But this department is sloppy, bro. GSP would have them put together. One pit, you done, bro. This Beamer having them work. Umbalave. Y'all know that song? Yeah, he's really having to work to catch this freaking Beamer. You're in big trouble, bro. Like, is the cop gonna go for the pit at this dangerous speed? He's just maxing out the speed in the BMW. He's not even... Got him. It's kind of cool how this is sped up. It makes it seem like the chase seem like so much more intense. I'm your host, JTSpeeds with the most. Welcome, JTSpeeds gang. If you want to join the gang, bro, hit the sub button. Smash the like button. We here for a good time, not a long time, man. Imagine if I was like 30 doing these videos, they would be like, bro, knock it off. Get a job. You got to at least do it while you're young. Try to do it. Hey, this chase is on my birthday, August 12th. Or at least this footage is from August 12th. Okay, so this guy has multiple warrants. The police, the sheriff's office said it in a social media post. And they tried to stop him, which he did not stop. So when does it get juicy? Does this cop eventually get him? Is he gonna get out the state? Is there such thing as you getting out of state lines on GSP or any Georgia police departments? We've seen it in Arkansas countless amount of times. We've seen people fall short of that border and get pitted right to the side, you know? Did I say the original video will be in the description if you don't want to hear me being annoying? I'm really excited to be back at my desk though, y'all. Shout out to y'all, bro. For real, man. Okay, he's getting up to that speed. Ooh, got him. So that's the second pit. What's he gonna do now? Alright, we're not getting any body cam footage. I mean, I'm grateful for it, bro. I was just looking up the horsepower number here. So the 528 actually has a 4-cylinder, a turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 240 horsepower. It's a very measly number, bro. To have the Jakes running for that long, it looked like a newer model. And even the older inline 6 ones were 230 horsepower. So the 4-banger is making more power. Either BMW is lying about the horsepower numbers, or that was just one hell of a driver. Y'all let me know down in the comments. But let's clap it up for that cop. You got him, bro. He had multiple warrants. Hey, you know what I mean? You did what you had to do. You told him, get on the ground. Get on the ground! Ah! You know what I mean? Yeah, so shout out to y'all. But this Beamer, I mean, I'm not saying run from the police. I don't condone it. But this was way longer of a chase than you see some of the Chargers. Dude, this was sped up, so it's kind of questionable. But dang. So the 528 has 240 horsepower. What? That Charger has 375. Let's see how much the Charger Pursuit model has. $370 horsepower and 395 pound-feet of torque. So it does have a little bit good in that horsepower number. And I don't know if y'all have heard about the Interceptor, 4 Interceptor models. They're giving the cops twin turbos in those Explorers. Think twice about running from those ones, bro. It says Interceptor, like very subtly, bro. You don't want to run from one of those, man. That twin turbo, that's the same the Ford GT got. You feel me? How much horsepower? 400 horsepower. I don't know. I don't think I would run from that one. Might as well take your ticket, unless you got warrants and whatnot. In that case, bro, you got to get the jailbreak. That's what Dodge named it for. It's breaking you out of jail, man. Wee, wee, wee. But, dang. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this chase in the comments, bro. This JTSpeeds. Nah, let's talk a little bit more. Let's talk a little bit more. How's y'all day going, man? Let me know down in the comments. Who got a girlfriend, bro? Kiss her, bro. Make her feel good. You know what I mean? Let's treat the ladies nice. Yeah, my girl don't mess with me right now. But it is what it is, y'all. We all have problems. Y'all don't even, well, I mean, for all the new people, bro, you got to see what's on my ankle. I mean, you can make a guess just from, you feel me? Bro, I got a lot going on. Y'all hit the sub button, bro. I'm trying to do better in my life. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
A or A.